alpha decay a nuclei, अल्फा पार्टिकल की चीज है 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Within one nuclei, it exists as an independent agency group, 2 protons and 2 neutrons. When you fire, it is equivalent to just like +1 gun and bullet arrangement. If you fire, the bullet moves to the right and the gun recoils to the left. That means we can apply the same model as we have covered. Alpha particle will move to the right and the rest of the atom, nuclei, not atom, nuclei will move to the left. First part, if the parent nuclei is X, number of protons, yes, check करके बोलो कितने, Z. Number of nucleons, A, it results in Y and alpha particle, yes, number of protons बोलो 2, nucleons 4 plus some energy in form of heat, kinetic energy of particles, whatever that be. Balance the equation. बोलो Z ऊपर. So first part is equation 1. Then first part लिखा है, definition की है, it is a phenomena of, what is alpha decay? Phenomena of, yes, emission of one alpha particle from the nucleus. जो अल्फा पार्टिकल जाएगा वो क्या रहेगा, हीलियम 24. This is total is parent nuclei X. Once it ejects alpha particle, what you have is a daughter nuclei Y, and the equation is given. Point number 1 से फिर next की सीगा reaction or equation. Then you have law of conservation of momentum. Both laws, law of conservation of energy and law of conservation of momentum. First, law of conservation of momentum. If this is mass of alpha particle, velocity of alpha particle, mass of daughter nuclei Y and velocity of Y. What was the momentum before explosion or before firing or before emission? 0. Total momentum before 0. Total momentum after 0. That means if this momentum is 100, then the बोलो कितना आएगा, -100. Magnitude of the two remains same. That means only on the basis of the magnitude we write mass of alpha particle, velocity of alpha particle is equal to mass of Y into V of Y. This is based on law of conservation of momentum. Then what about kinetic energy? Second part, kinetic energy of Y is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. पहले फार्मूला लेते हैं. Kinetic energy is equal to what? Kinetic energy formula is 1 by 2 mv square. Correction notes चाहिए. Multiply and divide by mass. If you multiply with mass, it is m square. If you divide by mass, it is m. So what you get is p square by 2m. नोट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ b लिखा हुआ है. दोनों सेम की है. Momentum is same. That means what? Kinetic energy is inversely proportional to mass. Which of the two will have more kinetic energy? Competition का question है. Alpha particle or daughter nuclei? Alpha particle, because mass is more. 1. In some of the numericals competition, what you are given is this energy, and the statement is whatever is energy released appears as kinetic energy of alpha particle and a daughter nuclei. Then you can use one more equation. Kinetic energy of daughter nuclei plus kinetic energy of alpha particle is equal to energy released in the reaction. 4 minutes with you to write. Alpha particle decay. लिखना बंद कर दो। 1 minute to go through, पढ़ो। अल्फा डिके प्रोसेस की चीज है। दैट मीन्स हाउ द अल्फा पार्टिकल कम्स आउट ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस। यस, बोलो एनीवन। की है थियरी की है, प्रोसेस की है, and it is analogous to a phenomena process. First key है, they exist as separate entity. Means what? In a prison, there are number of prisoners. 4 plan to escape. What is the condition required? They need to coordinate activities. फिर मैस खाना खान गए, इकट्ठे बैठेंगे कि नहीं, स्कीम लगानी है ना। Am I right? So they stay in a group so that they can plan. So here number 1 is 2 protons, 2 neutrons. That means alpha particle किस तरह होता है? Exists as a separate entity. है, देखो ग्रुप बन गया, एंड यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई 100 ऑफ पर्सनस, बट फिर भी तुम आइडेंटिफाई कर लेने हो। मार्केट गए, यू आइडेंटिफाई दैट दीज 3 पर्सनस आर मूविंग टुगेदर। ग्रुप देखने हो कि नहीं? सो दे एग्जिस्ट एज अ ग्रुप। 1, 2, द चांस दैट दोज 4 prisoners will leave, can jump the wall, is very, very less. All prisons are designed with full security, safety. Agreed or not? Walls are thick, surrounding the walls, there is water, fencing, cameras, guards, everything. But still, people escape. दीवार मूवी है अमिताभ बच्चन वाली, पुरानी नवी। They try number of times and at the end they succeed. So this is theory of probability. If something is difficult, try more times. Let us see how many times one alpha particle tries to escape. Let us see. So in a nuclei, what is the speed? Yes, it moves with speed within the nucleus. Speed with which the particle moves is 10 raised to the power meter per second. Distance d, yes, 10 raised to the power minus 14 meters. How much time it will take to move from one end to the other? Distance by speed. Distance is 10 raised to the power minus 14, speed is 10 raised to the power 7, 10 raised to the power minus 21 seconds. Or you can say frequency is 10 raised to the power 21 times hertz, but I am saying 10 raised to the power 21 times. That means in 1 second, how many attempts? 10 raised to the power 21 seconds. That is why attempts very large. Probability, chance is very, very small. But suppose there is a chance of 1 in 1 crore. Suppose if you try 1 crore times, you are successful once. So 1 in 1 crore. इन्हें कितने बार try कर लिया? Yes. 10 is power 21 times. So there is a chance. That is why it is applicable to real life also. If a task is difficult, you keep on trying again and again and again, and someday you will succeed. And its equivalent is, it is just like a wall. This is how it is presented in the books. The particle is here. Particle doesn't have, the person doesn't have this much of ability to jump to 50 feet wall. 50 feet wall, ते hard jail. 50 feet wall. 50 feet wall तो मुश्किल है. फिर दीवार फिल्म से किमें करते हो? बोलो. टनल बना दे कि नहीं? That is why this is termed as, though the chance is very, very less, but the particle still will have some probability of living because the attempts are very large. We say the particle is tunneling through because the attempts are very large. So, point number 2. Point number 3, energy is not sufficient to cross the barrier, but still the alpha particle can tunnel. Time with you is 4 minutes. 2 number का question है. Explain alpha decay process. How alpha particle comes out, even if the probability that it comes out is very, very small. Reason is, बोलो, objective वास्ते, competition वास्ते, large number of attempts. How many attempts in 1 second? 4 minutes to write. 4 minutes to write. आराम ना लिखो. Times per 21. That is what this process is known as a tunneling. Even if you don't go through point number 3, 1 and 2 means tunneling. Fine. If the probability is less, attempts are more, there is a scope, chance. 1 minute with you. Go through beta decay. B part, beta decay. One minute beta decay. What is the process, reaction, everything. You can also refer to the book, page 8/54. Page is 8/54. Article number 24. Beta decay. First line बोलो की है. Yes, beta decay is what? Is process of emission of electron from nucleus radioactivity process. If an electron comes out of the nucleus, then reaction is X, number of protons Z, number of nucleons A, daughter nuclei is Y, one beta particle electron is emitted, plus some energy, in book it is written as Q, that means energy is released. बोलो बैलेंस किमें करोगे? बोलो कि Z plus A, as it is A plus 0 comes out to what? So in beta process decay, the number of protons increase by 1. Note this example in लिखी, but book ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ example पढ़ के दस दो. Yes, thorium process देखना एक बार, लिखना नहीं किसी ने. 90-234, an electron beta particle is released plus some energy, and now if it is 90, this is -1, इतने कितना आएगा? 91. This is 234, this is 0, it is 234. Now the element ਕਿਹੜਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ? बोलो. PA पहली में की है, केमिस्ट्री पढ़ा होगा तुसी, मैनू नहीं पता. पहली में की है, नाम बोलो. सुने केमिस्ट्री है क्या पीरियोडिक टेबल च? देख लेना जाके. Whatever it is, this example is sufficient. We are interested in knowing that protons will increase by 1. If the number of protons change, the element will also change. Next one, periodic table च आगे चला जाएगा. This is one. Then there is a graph. In this process, a graph was drawn. Graph बोलो की है. Yes. Y axis से बोलो की है. Number of beta particles. What about x axis? Energy. Check करते हैं. All beta particles were not coming out with the same energy. Objective question है. In beta decay, all beta particles come out with the same energy. Wrong. Different beta particles come out with a different energy. As in case of photoelectric effect, different electrons come out of surface with the different energies. No doubt the topper is with the Ke maximum. But similarly here also, small energy, large number of particles were having small energy. And as 10 unit, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, few particles were having a high energy. 95% plus. Previous test होया सीगा. Greater than equal to 95% कितने रहे हाथ खड़े करना please. Few 98% तो greater than equal to 98%. 2, 3. 100% that means again 3. Even है ना 2 persons. So as the score increases, number of persons decrease. Very few, photoelectric effect also, very few come out with very high energy. Here also, the question was, if this energy is released, then why all alpha particles, beta particles are not coming out with the same energy? There were certain violations. Law of conservation of energy violated. हो ही नहीं रहा सी. Law of conservation of momentum violated. Law of conservation of angular momentum violated. There were violation of certain laws. Then देखते हैं नोट्स के भी देखते हैं कि लिखा है. Neutrino hypothesis. As per theory given above, law of conservation of energy, angular momentum was violated. Pauli, name of the scientist है Pauli. Pauli came out with the theory that one more particle should be there in given equation. Okay, something is missing. If we incorporate that particle, then we perform, then we see total equation, then all laws are in line. That means the conclusion was there is one more particle. In the book also you can see the modified equation is what? Yes, modified equation is Pauli modified it. Yes, x leads to what? Y plus book ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ neutrino anti-neutrino. That means basically we want to say that there is some particle. Neutrino anti-neutrino दोनों की है एक दूसरे एंटी पार्टिकल है. इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड positron, they have everything same, one property is different. So there was one particle, and by incorporating this particle, again the application of law of conservation of momentum, angular momentum was evaluated, and it was observed that now there is no violation. This is how this particle, you can say, was discovered through this process. ये है कि books भी देख लेने. Further study revealed that energy of nucleus emitting beta particle decreases by an amount equal to the end point energy, but most of the beta particles emitted have energy smaller than the end point energy. Therefore, the principle of conservation is violated. तो सिंपल ये लिख देना बोर्ड्स, energy conservation violated. Neutrino hypothesis. The violations of principle of conservation energy angular momentum were resolved by एक ये है Wolfgang Pauli, Pauli sufficient है, in the year 1931. Year भी ट्रेन कर लो. He postulated that beta decay is always accompanied by another particle of zero rest mass and zero charge. This particle was called anti-neutrino. So anti-neutrino पता लग गया, equation modify करती, and now all those laws were in line. Time with you is 4 minutes. Board the question. Beta particle decay. Explain what the process is. And this anti-neutrino, how this equation was modified by having one more particle. Kada? Anti-neutrino. 4 minutes to write. गामा डीके बोलो की है emission of, बोलो, gamma decay is a process of emission of, not a particle, this time it is not particle, alpha particle, beta particle, but इस केस की है photon emission of gamma ray photon, packet of energy. That means there is a nucleus X and number of protons Z, number of nucleons A, represent के में करिए, it also results in the same. Gamma ray photon emit होया, it is a packet of energy it was in excited state, nuclei was having high energy. It has come to a lower energy level by emitting some amount of energy. That is why it is also same. Change क्यों मैं करा बोलो? By marking a star. If you mark a star, that means it is what? It is excited state. Nuclei was having higher level energy. Now it is in lower energy. That is how a gamma ray photon is emitted from the nucleus. As an example, notes ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜਾ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਟਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਹੈ. ਕੋਬਾल्ट 2760 ਪੜ੍ਹ ਲਓ ਪਹਿਲੇ, ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ. emits a beta particle. ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Step 1, if cobalt emits a beta particle, cobalt the number of protons 27, nucleons 60. What about this one? Bolo. This is -1. This is 27. So it is 28. This is as it is 60. Comes out to what? Yes. Periodic table ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ chemistry point of view ਤੋਂ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਪਊ. ਕੀ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ? ਨਿਕਲ. ਮਾਰ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. This is nickel. Value 2860. Next, it emits a gamma ray photon. It emits from this level, a photon is emitted. A photon of what energy? Mega electron volt. Mega electron volt. 1.17 mega electron volt is emitted. So, nickel. How it is represented here? देखो check करो. डबल स्टार है, चेक करो. डबल स्टार पहले वाले फर्स्ट 60 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ 2 ਸਟਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਾਰ ਕੀਤੇ ਵੇ ਇਸ ਬੁੱਕ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਲੇ 'ਚ ਨੋਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵਾਈ ਆਮ ਗਿਵਿੰਗ ਯੂ ਦਿਸ ਕਿ ਬੁੱਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਨੋਟਸ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਪੂਅਰ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਟ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਇਜ਼ ਪੂਅਰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਗੈਪ ਹੈ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵਾਈ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਰੈਫਰਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਦ ਬੁੱਕ ਨਿਕਲ ਡਬਲ ਸਟਾਰ 28 60 reduces to what? Yes. Nickel single star means what? Energy is relatively less and what is emitted is a packet of energy. How much? 1.17 mega electron volt. So you can say this was double standard, double energy high. It takes one jump, loses one photon. From 2-star level to single star, still it is excited. This nuclei is still excited and can emit one more photon. फिर एक photon emit किया, वो कितना बोलो next. This is nickel double star. This is nickel single star. Now energy is emitted. How much? Mega electron volt. 1.33 and now the result is this is double excited, singly excited, this is normal. That means the third equation is now this nickel singly excited reduces to normal nickel by emitting a photon of what energy? Even if you write only one without naming this as cobalt, you write X 2716, नहीं याद रहा. Then by emitting a beta particle it becomes Y. Y तो double star की जरूरत नहीं है, single star. Y single star becomes Y without a star, normal, by emitting one photon. This is complete. अगर नया एग्जाम्पल याद रहे, it is not a big deal. Fine, you can take X and Y. When it emits, it loses one star. देखो पहले कितने स्टार है, तो एक फोटोन एमिट करता है, now it is singly excited, एक और एमिट करता है, it becomes a normal. Time with you is 3 minutes. 3 minutes to write.